Good morning, ladies and gents. Is anyone travelling to Naples, Crete, Malaga, Faro, Catania, or Austria?
I'm on the way up first. Yeah, you there. Right, you've got yours open, Reece.